Hey y'all, my mom is trying to destroy a beehive, and I'm going to record it.
This for me. I'm mad.
You so?
Crazy ass girl, you crazy.
Hello, crazy.
Shit,
Be careful of my rain boots, my band boots.
No.
Girl, if you don't close the door, close the door.
What, you gonna record me or something?
Yes.
Girl, your
Let's see.
ass. Oh my God. Look at, you can't see it. You can't see the nest. Right there on the rim. Yeah, you can't see
The bees.
There's
I'm trying to see the damn mess.
I want to come around the back way and throw it up on the porch. No, I'm going to go this way and throw it that way so they can fly out.
Oh, which way you going?
I'm going to go right here and do like this. Throw it on it. Girl, don't do that.
This is part one.
What you say? Crazy ass. 1,000 damn bees. Oh, Lord. Be careful, open that door.
I gotta be careful and open the door,
Come
please.
through some hot water bleach.
Leave your door open so you can run back in.
I'm gonna run off the porch. I'm gonna run over that way to the left.
You gonna run to the left where they at?
No, to over this
To the
way.
right? You don't need like a left or right. Get yourself together. You need like a left and right going out here. You gotta
Scared
be.
the shit out of me, man.
I only see the plastic.
Huh?
I only see the plastic.
Shit, no, they right there on the record. They right there on the silver part, on the spike part.
I'm looking at the spikes.
Oh, but this shit burning this shit up now, with this stone there. It was big and got small. I pulled, it was big as shit.
By the time we
I pulled
had
alcohol
him
on
here,
it.
we would need some tobacco.
What?
You're supposed to put tobacco on these things.
You do? Why ain't no damn tobacco in here?
Hell no, I ain't standing on no porch. Do I look like I'm suited to stand on a porch? I'm not standing on no porch. I got stoned one time when I was 12. Yeah. With that Tweety Bird t-shirt on, I remember. Girl, let me move. You poured the bleach in it already?
Yeah. Damn, skip it. Damn right.
Hot bleach water.
I told your ass.
How the hell is no?
You gotta open the door.
Girl, you want me to fucking open the door? Go out here.
No.
Then you lock the door like the hell they can.
I thought they might try to open this bitch. Shit. You mean tell me you can't see this big thing right here?
Oh shit.
Oh, it was more than that. It was more than that.
Well, at least I hear sirens. She happy about killing one damn bumblebee, and it's a whole nest, she said. Oh, that's a little nest. That's a baby nest. That's a baby nest.
Yeah, you see that shit? Look, right there, nice on that.
It's a baby nest.
Oh, let me throw this shit on. You see?
Yeah.
It's a nice motherfucking nest. They won't come back this way. Motherfuckers. Bitch.
It's a keepsake.
Well, you better take a picture of this shit. Yeah. Oh, girl. On the porch. Look.
Throw it down the sewer. Oh shit, one coming up. Lord have mercy. Oh my God. Not coming out there. She is out here fighting. Ain't no way. She got bumblebees all over the porch.